Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Muhammad Rizki and I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Entrepreneurship Tourism with honor at University Malaysia Kelantan. My area of specialization is tourism and hospitality with particular interest in tour guiding, hospitality service and event management. My career vision is to become a tourism professional who uphold ethical conduct, discipline and responsibility will contribute positively to the industry through high quality and safety-oriented service. Integrity is the foundation of professional conduct in the hospitality and tourism industry. Professionals are expected to act personally, transparently, and ethically when dealing with guests, colleagues, and organization responsibilities. For example, during my experience as a hospitality assistant at Hotel Perdana Kota Baru, I ensure that all guests concerned were addressed safely and that service standards were maintained without compromising ethical value. Safety is a critical ethical obligation, especially in tourism-related activities. My training in Core Cisco University Malaysia Kelantan, along with certification in basic life support and life strike force, has strengthened my awareness of risk management, emergency response, and risk safety, which are elements which industry standard. Respect for guests and colleagues, regardless of culture or social background, is essential in delivering quality hospitality service. Through my experience in hospitality and online business management, I have developed strong communication skills, patience, and professional attitude when interacting with customers. Discipline ensures consistency and reliability in professional performance. The discipline I gained through military-based training has helped me to manage time effectively, follow operation procedure, and perform my duty with commitment and professionalism. Upon graduation, I am to begin my career as a tour guide, hospitality executive, or event assistant in order to gain practical industry experience and further develop my professional skill. In the long term, I expect to become a tourism manager or tourism entrepreneur focused on safety, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. I possess 11 skills in communication, leadership, customer service, and basic management, supported by hand-on experience in hospitality operation and online entrepreneurship. I am committed to continuous professional development through industry training, professional certification, and active engagement with tourism-related organizations. In conclusion, I am committed to build a professional career in the hospitality and tourism industry guided by integrity, safety, discipline, and professionalism. My professional motto is, I am committed to serve with integrity, discipline, and responsibility to uphold excellence in the hospitality and tourism industry. Thank you.